Hi everyone, I'm Ellery. Today I'm going to teach you the simple present tense. Let's start. When do we use the simple present? We use it to talk about facts, things that are always true. Example, the sun rises in the east. Habits or routines, things we do regularly. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. Schedules or fixed times, things that follow a timetable. Example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. Feelings, opinions, and thoughts. Example, I like chocolate. Positive sentences. Structure, subject plus base verb plus ses for he, she, it plus rest of sentence. Examples, I play football. You work hard. He plays football. She goes to school. They study English. Rule, for he, she, it, add s or es to the verb. Spelling rules, most verbs add s. Play, plays. Verbs ending in ch, sh, x, ss, o, add es. Go, goes. Watch, watches. Consonant plus y, change y to ies. Study, studies. Vowel plus y, just add s. Play, plays. Negative sentences. Structure, subject plus do, does, plus not, plus base verb. Examples, I don't like coffee. You don't play basketball. He doesn't like coffee. She doesn't go to work on Sundays. They don't eat meat. Rule, after don't, doesn't, the main verb is always in the base form. Example, she doesn't play piano. Questions. Structure, do, does, plus subject, plus base verb, plus question mark. Examples, do you like tea? Does he play football? Do they study English? Does it work? Rule, use does with he, she, it. The main verb stays in base form. Short answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Examples, do you play tennis? Yes, I do. Does he like cats? No, he doesn't. These show how often we do something. Always, 100%. Usually, 80 to 90%. Often, 70%. Sometimes, 50%. Rarely or seldom, 10 to 20%. Never, 0%. Examples, I always eat breakfast. She usually goes to the gym. They often watch movies. He sometimes cooks dinner. I rarely eat fast food. She never drinks coffee. Position, before the main verb or after to be. I always study English. He is always late. Special verbs, be, have, do. Be, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we, they are. Example, I am happy. Have, I have, you have, he, she, it has, we, they have. Example, she has a car. Do, I do, you do, he, she, it does, we, they do. Example, he does his homework every night. Time expressions. We often use these with simple present. Every day, every week, on Mondays. Always, usually, sometimes, never. Once a day, twice a week. Examples, I go to work every day. We play football on Fridays. She calls her mom every night. Summary, use simple present for habits, routines, facts, feelings, and schedules. Add s or es for he, she, it. Use do or does for questions and negatives. Use frequency adverbs and time expressions for clarity.